Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play Flood Escape, and yes, I've changed my username to Martin Plays YT. Yeah, I'm going to play Flood Escape. And I hope... Oh, no. Flood... Damn. Flood Escape. I really don't want to. Let's play Flood Escape Classic, because that's what matters. Okay, after this video, I'm going to edit every video to have a link to the game or video. Which one? Let me zoom in. Right, let's go for medium. Come on. I can't go without you. It's goodbye for now. Here we go. Trick quality check. No. Oh no! I just died right at the start. That's so embarrassing. Right, come on. Come on. Come on, we'll do easy. Let's go. Power failure. Right. Go. Right, not. That is so embarrassing. I'm just not as good at using the keypad. Which one is the least? I think this one. No, display name. Martin, please wait. I think we should spectate. Spectate them. Water. Oh, one person died, only one person remains. He's gonna make it in time. One more. There's round 3, and then it's code guessing. Go! Go! You better run! You better run! Oh, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. Mate, time is ticking. Oh! Go! If he's lucky that he has the gravity coil. I do have the gravity coil. I'll go to the shop and get it right now. Extras. Yeah. Now I've got that. You've got to escape the code. There's about 30 seconds in escape the code to escape. He's got 15 seconds. a win! We've got an 8. We've got a full 8. We've got a full 8 in this game. We've got a full 8. Got a full 8. Got a full 8. Got a full 8. Bye bye! See you later! We got a full 8. Here we go. Here we go. I have the gravity coil. No, I'm not gonna risk doing that. No. Boink! Boink! I'm levitating. Levitating. It is hard! I don't know why I keep dying on the first round because blah 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 blah. Two players need to escape. If which one's first, I would choose. How long have we been? Already 6 minutes. I would keep dying. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Go in this one. Come in this one. Come on, noob. Come on, noob. Yes. Bye bye. See you on the road. Go, 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 go. No painful choices. I really want to upgrade my stamina. I need to at least be 1 in this video, and if I don't, I have to pie myself. No good painful choices. No, yeah, medium. Go for medium. Go for medium. If we only have 1 chance if we fail. We've got 2 chances if we fail 2. It's just game over for us. I keep dying because of my gravity. I'm just going to stop. I'm going to go for the button because, yeah, that's why you need a gravity coil, man. Who has got a gravity coil? Okay, then straight through. Finally, I've made it to the next round. Go, mate! Go! Right, what have we got here? Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. Round 3, storage management. No! Damn it! Damn it. Well, we do have time for 1 more game. We do have time for 1 more game, so we'll go for easy. It's on round 3. got 4 more minutes, so when that hits 50, then I'm gonna have to end this video, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Just gotta go up and about. Go, go, go. I can control him. This is great. Go to what? Right. The water will start rising now. Oh, I distracted. Go, go, go. Yes, he made it. I've got 2 more minutes. And if I run out of time, I'll have to tell you in the next video if I won or not. I can't vlog my house out. Yeah, I know you won't trust me, guys, but trust me, I will hide myself. Right, I need to. I've got something. I need to sound like go. Yes! We escaped the facility. Guys, I'd have to pay myself. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.